In this video, I'll show you how to install and watch TikTok on your TCL Smart TV in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Turn on your TCL Smart TV. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. Now, grab your remote and head to the home screen. Step 2. Open the App Store. This depends on your TV's operating system. If your TCL TV uses Roku OS, go to Streaming Channels. Select Search Channels. Type TikTok. Select it, then press Add Channel. Once installed, launch the app. If your TCL TV uses Android TV or Google TV, go to the Google Play Store. Use the search bar to type TikTok. Select the official app from the results. Click Install. Step 3. Log into TikTok. Open the TikTok app. Sign in with your account using a QR code or login credentials. Now you can watch TikTok videos directly on your TV. Can't find TikTok on your TV? If TikTok isn't available, you can cast it from your phone using Google Cast or AirPlay. Or use a streaming device like a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or Roku Stick that supports TikTok. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart TV tips and tricks.